Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we just got a trade and we accepted it. Let's see offers for my lunar, tiger, and middle ox. By the way, this is day 3 of mouse to parrot. That's where we stopped off last time. So yeah, she said, can I offer for tiger? So I let her offer. But both her offers were bad because I had both of the pets. But yeah, so one of my fans helped me out by offering for my tiger. But I declined at the end. So now she's changing the car, so let's just wait to see what she changes it to. Okay guys, she changes to a penguin, which is not that good, but it is out of green, but it's not that good. So no thank you. So yeah. So then she said if I have an offer for something, but as I did, I declined because I do not offer for items only sometimes. But yeah, let's see other people if they can offer or something like that. So yeah. By the way, make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe button. You guys know I posted or making a video for you guys to watch. By the way, if you guys have offers for any of my pets in the inventory or the pets I have in the challenge, make sure you guys comment it down below. If your offer is nice or over, I will accept the offer. And I will be doing maybe a meet and adopt me in my private server. My username will be in the description. Or if you guys will see my first video, my username will be there. Make sure you guys go add me. And I will be announcing the meet and greet soon. Guys, the fan just came up and met me. I think he's watching this video now. If you are, hello. You are on my video right now. Love meeting fans, so this is a really good experience. But yeah, now let's see what the fans said. So they keep saying hi. So they said, hi YouTube. Let me ask him if he can offer for some of my pets. Like I said before, if you guys have an offer in the comments, or if it's an over offer, I will let you know. And also, my meet and greet will be announced soon, like I said, because I like all my fans. Make sure you go add my group on Roblox cloudysunny to know that we're a true fan. So let's get right into the trade. Also guys, make sure to go follow my TikTok, which will be in the link description below. Or if you guys can go to my house, you guys will see my TikTok there. And Roblox too. Roblox the main. So that is pretty over with the off. I thought he was an offer for the tiger. But that is a pretty over offer because all of these items are pretty rare. So yeah, let's accept and let's see if he is. Oh my god, he actually is doing it. True fan, come on. Yeah. So I love meeting you guys. That's why I want to do a meet and greet. I want to do a meet and greet so bad because I like you guys and you're my fans. So, oh my god, he actually did the trade. Hey. And if you guys want to be next or be in my video, make sure to add me. My username is Aloha and Julia. It will be in the description or in my about. Oh yeah, hopefully you guys can come and add me or stuff like that. Over here, my very nice fan gave this girl a free pet.